welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another vlog, and today's video is cook with me video and a birthday party. So please come with me to my little kitchen so that we can cook together. Today I'll be cooking okra soup. I need to cook this food very fast so that I can be able to attend a friend's birthday. Okay, so here I have mushroom. I like using mushroom to cook my okra soup, and I have okra and also spinach, and this is palm oil. I've used this palm oil and I noticed that it's very good. I bought it here in China. All right, here we'll start the cooking. The first thing that we're going to make sure is that our pot is neat. Wash the meat, add the meat into the pot, add some water and seasoning. Then we'll start our cooking. Okay, mind you, this is not a cooking tutorial video. This is just a cook with me video. Okay, so don't judge me, please. Okay. Remember this, one thing about food cooking is that everyone has their own way or method of cooking. But in whichever method that you're using to cook, make sure that that food is something that someone can eat and thank you for preparing such a delicious meal. That is the most important thing. So right now I've cut the okra and also the vegetables. You can also do this while the meat is cooking to save time. Okay, so the next thing that I have to do is to wash my mushroom. I like using hot water to wash the mushroom. So while the meat is cooking, when the meat is kind of almost done, and I'll add the washed fresh fish into the pot, allow it to simmer for 2 minutes, take it out and fry, because I like using fried fish in my soup. It gives the food a kind of taste. So guys, I think I've talked too much. For now, I'll stop talking and allow you guys to enjoy the cooking with me. Hey guys, the food is ready. Come, let's go and have fun and enjoy this delicious okra soup, okay, with fufu. Now let me show you all. When we are eating this fufu at home, you relax, you balance very well. Eat this fufu like no other. You put your hand inside the fufu very well and cut it. Enjoy it like your life depends on it. Don't look back, don't look at if someone is looking at you. This food is so delicious. This food is so yummy. Like, I can't get enough of this okra soup, guys. Hey, I have a birthday party to attend today, and I don't like going to a party and I will reach there and be expecting food. Anytime I'm going to any team party, birthday party, or any team party, any ceremony, I like to eat very well at home before going to that party, so that I'll not be expecting any food around. Okay, so I'm going to a friend's birthday party today. I'll be leaving in an hour time, so that's why I tried to cook this morning. The birthday will be starting by 6 p.m. This is Chinese tea. You can see it here. Everybody living in China knows this tea. So the next thing, I started making my crochet wig. I bought this crochet hair in China. I used 4 packs of it. Okay, so I was trying to meet up with the time, so I did this crochet hair very fast. The full video will be coming up soon on my channel after this video. Please stay tuned and watch the next video on how I made this crochet wig. This is my first time of making a crochet wig, and this came out so nice that everyone that saw this hair really love it. Okay, I would like to give you guys more of crochet wig videos on my channel. Okay, right now I'm on my way to the birthday party. I'm on the road. I'm already in the taxi heading to the place. So guys, see you there. I will give you guys gist more about the birthday.
500米后在红绿灯路口左转。
So before we arrive to the birthday venue, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do me a favor. Please hit on that red button to subscribe, to join the family. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Please guys, check out my crochet wig. How do I look? How is this wig? Guys, I need your comments. I need your comments on the comment section. How is this crochet wig? Okay, how is it? How is the color? Do you love the color? Do you have any other color that you would suggest? Because I'll be giving you guys more videos on these crochet wigs from now on. I enjoy this wig. I'm enjoying the vibes. I'm enjoying the color. I'm enjoying everything about this wig. Oh guys, okay, so keep on watching, relax. I have full gist for you guys. Guys, see what I'm wearing. This and this clothes and my handbag. So I was in a haste. I couldn't even prepare very well the way I wanted to. So I just put on my dress and my crochet hair. So I'm waiting for my friend to come here and pick me. So I don't know which of the building they are. So because the building is so big, my friend cannot find the exact place that I was standing, so she sent me a location map to locate the building that they are having the birthday. So this is me searching for the building with the location map. Okay, the birthday party has started already, so I'm trying to meet up.
左转，随后右转。
Let me show you guys. Sorry guys that I have to blur the faces of the people here. Is because some of these people here are not my close friends, so I wouldn't like to show people's faces here in my video. Okay, and some of these people that you can see their faces are my close friends, so I don't have any problem with them. I only want you guys to see how we celebrated the birthday and also join me to wish her a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Make a wish. Yay. One left.
So guys, the birthday was really fun. The place is so beautiful, such an amazing place to celebrate birthday. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe to join the family. I love you guys. See you next time on my next video. Bye.